Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka Inter School Sports kam Inter House bala pelong deka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong haka arpoi trek mentau bena yayong kalalong ke Basong Shen da ka jingwan ni menta jong ki kena skol na ki skol baper ki badan haka jilli jong snong lai mkra haka ni ke Jacob haka Inter School March Pass na ka liang ki shenrang ya ka nam la do layora da ka Kamala Nehru School kat ba na ka liang ki kentai pat layora da ka Lorito Convent School haka Inter House kata hapa dan kikin hon jaka Kiddies Corner Secondary School pan haka March Pass na kalang kishen rang la job daka ken hon Kalam House katba na kikin thai la job daka Gandhi House haka Inter School Senior Relay Race haka liang kishen rang ka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kalayora ikanam lado katba ka St Edmunds Higher Secondary School kalayora ika Kerdan Baar bat ke Kiddies Corner Secondary School kalawan ka Kerdan Balai haka Inter School Senior Relay Race pan na kalang kikin thai ya kanam lakdo la job da ka Lorito Convent School ya ka Kerdan ka Baar la job da ka St Mary's Higher Secondary School kat ba ya kanam balai pat la job da ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School la panha perdano ya kani kelempong ilek kai sports da MLA Barem ka West Shillong constituency ba polling do borolong kongsan ha ka jelang sampusnam ha kani ka sngi ka skol Kiddies Corner kala kan ma buramru ya ki hapret jongkari Syria ki bama ya ki jingma baman la ka sngi na ka jingdan ka thma po yeng ha kani kari da ka barwai ru ya jin ruai ke belathau the headmaster jong ka Kiddies Corner School ba Brian Walang
with the school captain, school commandant Treasurer Manager and school captain Mewan Pinwin. Proceeding towards the salute flag. With the placard bearer being drawn by the commandant Nigio Dan and the placard bearer Daniel Carvalho. The commander, Sacha Muhammad, and flag bearer, Cody Pingo. Our next team is from St. Edmunds School, with Shimon G. Pagma being the commander, leads outwards. Next up is the Kalam House girls team with Elsa Rinmaibi, the placard bearer, Commander Alcor Malcolm. Next up is the Kalam House girls team with Elsa Rinmaibi, the placard bearer, Commander Alcor Malcolm, and flag bearer William Salvar. The next house is the Twitter House with Hakami Bandu being the placard bearer, Natalie Sangma being the commander, and Elizabeth Ramon being the flag bearer. Next up is the Mandela House with Abisha Hasu as a bearer or flag bearer. Next up is Gandhi House take the cross. Our next school comes from Government School with non-working easier to Commander.
We've had a very exciting afternoon, a day full of activities, and I would only be a spoil sport if I take too long to convey my message. I would just like to say a few things before we wind up this year's inter-school and annual school sports meet of KC Secondary School, which is to remind all of you that, as the famous poet William Butler Yeats had described, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a spark. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a spark. I am sure that each one of you carries that spark within you, and it is in the fitness of things that we should have more such events, especially which are events which are on the field, in order to inculcate this spirit of true sportsmanship and the building up of the complete individual. I would only like to request all of you who are participating in various events at the close of today's event to repeat after me. This is a quotation that will help inculcate in you a sense of responsibility, knowing that you all are responsible for your life, for the future of our society, for the future of mankind. I would request each one of you to repeat after me. Please repeat after me. Students who are also on the galleries, kindly repeat after me. I will take care of my thoughts. For my thoughts will turn into words. I will take care of my words. For my words will turn into actions. I will take care of my actions. For my actions will turn into my habits. I will take care of my habits. For my habits will turn into my destiny. I will take care of my destiny. For my destiny will become the destiny of mankind.
In the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. If you only have love for your own race, then you only need space to discriminate. And to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how agorism operates. Then you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Get your soul like a faith. We got love, y'all. Did you practice what you preach? Did you turn the other cheek? Since you got this you got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Some nights I wish that violence would build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's true.
Come on, everyone, cheer for your groups. Cheer for your groups, come on. We have to win. It looks like Gandhi and Kalam are leading. Come on, boys and girls, you can do it. Everyone, cheer, cheer, come on. Woo! Look at Mandela go, look at Mandela go. Gandhi House is almost done. Fight for third. Oh, here we go. Mandela is winning. Mandela. Cheer, cheer, come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, run, run. Come on, girls. You can do it. Good job, good job. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on. Teresa's leading. Mandela is catching up. Go, go, go. Yeah, go, go, go. There you go. Looks like Gandhi is leading and Mandela coming up. Well done, Gandhi. Teresa and Kalam are going to third. A fierce fight, fierce fight. testifies a ring, a hula hoop to the whole chain of humans that are connected together. Everyone cheer for your team. Here we go. Gandhi has taken lead with Mandela not so close. Kalam is running like the wind. Look at Kalam go! Small but fast. And come on, Teresa. Come on. Push. Come on. Gandhi is leading. And Kalam is close. Mandela 2. Teresa still needs to catch up. And Mandela, oh, now Teresa is making the third. Yes. Gust of strength. On the field, please sit down so as the audience may also be able to see the obstacle race. Athletes on the field, please sit down. All those that are on the field, please sit down as we need coverage. Also, the media requires coverage of this race. They are blocking the view. Thank you very much. Please sit down. Sports department, please see to it that they are seated. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this requires accuracy and patience, steadiness. Oh, lovely. And we have a first place winner. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. And Providence School is also catching up now. Slow and steady, don't rush. Yes, we have a second place. Second place. Good job. Come on, Providence. Yes, slow and steady. Yes. Awesome. Go, yes. We have a third place, ladies and gentlemen. Go. This looks like a very good fight.
Come on, Casey! Go! Casey, go!
Look at the gun. Keep going, boys.
Go!
Come on, boys. Come on. Go, boys, go. This is the final run.
Come on, Casey!
Final run.
Come on, Casey! Run!
Wow. Good job. A round of applause to all our runners. And the race has begun. Second runners up. Second running, there we go. Looks like, yes, they are fighting for first right now. Loretto Convention Mary's Peace Corner. Still Loretto, still St. Mary's, still Peace Corner. Auxilium and Providence School. Come on, keep running, come on. Come on, girls. Don't give up, keep running. This is a huge gap. Looks like Elsie will be taking the first position. Peace Corner is still. Yes. And the score is all the best. Oh, there we go. Well done. Keep going, come on, man, come on. Oh, look at all the boys running. Wow. We have a really fast tonight. Round of applause. There they go. Oh, wow, this is a good run. Come on. A round of applause for our winners. And the first position goes to Shandame Pillay of Mandela House. Kalinka Karkamar of Mandela House. And the first position goes to Sumar Bhapala of Teresa House. The 400-meter relay race for the middles category now. Third place goes to Teresa House, middles boys. Second place goes to Mandela House. And the third place goes to Gandhi House. Oh, first place, sorry. 100 meters in 1.03 minutes. Second place goes to Providence School. Paul Danny Karmudai, Davison Karkongor, Jeffred Karmudai, and Rio Lingdok, covering 400 meters in 1 minute. And now the girls 4.10 into school. The third place goes to Providence School, Rebecca Nongspung, Rebecca Jirwa, Juliana Marak, Wanda Kirman, Kharkit, covering 400 meters in 1.09 minutes. The second place goes to Loreto Convent, Ellerine Sortun, Mary Marbanyang, Emily Dor, Linda Nambri, and Zarina Karpuli, 400 meters in 1.08 minutes. First position goes to Kiri's Corner. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause to our 4.10 winners. Our 4.10 winners. Please stay back for a photo session. Marys, Aiki Hun Lingdo, Eva Gracia Karumnoy, Amy Waka Shadap Mary Rintyang, Gabriela Dunbar, Karuwan, Evelyn Kriam, and Karin Wah. And now the relay race boys, seniors. A third position goes to Kiri's Corner. Rahul Sobar, Jonathan Baman, Solomon Pala, and Stevenson Nongtngia. Second place goes to St. Edmunds, Nathaniel Nongrum, Arya Manki Pala, Sanlanki Biam, Ivan Shnan Singai, and Kraukupar Shabong. For the inter-school winners, your certificates will be sent to your respective schools on Tuesday. Boys, stay back for photo shoot, okay? Stay back for photo shoot.
Praise goes to St. Edmund's School. Sean Conwar, Dylan Shadup, Arkit Chalam, and Jude Renja. Our obstacle winners: Karbuli, Eva Gracia Karundur, and Vanilina Lingua. Second place goes to Providence School. Rebecca Nongspun, Piba Wansuk Dingdo, Elizabeth Jingjiang, Rebecca Jirwa. And the first place goes to Loretto Convent. Catherine Nonglak, Suzanne Nonkindri, Kerry Sabhi Lindo, and Aditi Lindo. Please stay back for photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
Thank you, boys and girls.
Three cheers for Kamanaru! Applaud! Applaud! Applaud!
At this point of time, I take the pleasure of declaring that this year's 13th Inter-School and Inter-House KC High Secondary School Sports Meet 2018 has come to a close. Thank you and best of luck in all your future endeavors.